Today we're going to combine a few different ingredients to make this delicious eggplant dip, which you can use to spread on any scrumptious sandwich, use as a dressing on your Buddha bowl, or pair with these crispy fried plantains we made last week. Now let us first of all wash our eggplant, otherwise known as aubergine, wipe it dry, and let's cut off that tough end of the eggplant. Now this would be about 450 to 475 grams of eggplant. Depending on how big or small it is, you would gauge the amount of seasoning that you would use to make it taste great. We cut up our eggplant into quarters, making it easier to fit snugly in our pie dish. We're going to sprinkle on some kosher salt and drizzle on 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use coconut oil, walnut oil, whatever you have on hand, as long as it's natural. Let's rub in those seasonings and turn the cut side of the aubergine down into a pie dish. That way when it cooks through, it would create steam that would cause our eggplant to cook through well. Let's cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, and prick it with a fork or a toothpick to make sure that it cooks through. The easier the prick, you know that it's cooked through well. Now let's begin to season this with 30 ml of lemon juice, and shortly after that we're going to add in some cumin seeds, which is about 3/4 to a teaspoon each of cumin seeds, and fine pink salt, followed by some sesame paste, otherwise known as tahini. 30 ml of that, but be sure that it is completely unsalted, because that would affect the overall taste of this eggplant dip. If you find this video helpful in any way, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers very soon, before the end of April, so I'd really appreciate it if you'd help me out with that. Now we're stirring our eggplant dip. I'm going to show you how I'm going to have this one. This is one of the many ways I like to have eggplant dip, with these crispy fried plantains. They're so delicious, and I have another recipe for plantains using green plantains, which you can find in my cookbook, Eat Joyfully. You can get a copy right away with a link below. With that said, thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and be culinary curious. Goodbye!